Coronavirus states and union territory wise outbreak in India 2020. Total number of the confirmed COVID-19 cases across the India total 37,336, including foreign and national as 2/5/2020 morning 8 o'clock. Maximum number of the COVID cases are concentrated in Gujarat and Maharashtra state, and moderate are the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and very less number of the Karnataka, Kerala, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh in those areas, and number of less cases recorded in Jammu and Kashmir and northeastern states. This map is prepared in GIS and based on the scale as per the ArcGIS.